Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install wholesaling workflow with ClearEstate step by step clearly. Start by visiting the ClearEstate website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your email address and password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for the confirmation email. Once verified, log into your ClearEstate account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see the main features. Locate the Wholesaling Workflow tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Wholesaling Workflow tab to access the setup page. Begin by clicking that Add New Workflow button. Enter a name for your workflow that represents its purpose. Set up the phases of the workflow by defining the stages involved. For each phase, click Add Phase and provide a description. Customize tasks for each phase by clicking on the Add Task button. Type in the task details, including what needs to be accomplished. Assign each task to specific team members for accountability. Set deadlines for each task to keep the workflow on track. Review your workflow to ensure all phases and tasks are correctly set up. Once satisfied, click the Save button to save your workflow. Test the workflow by assigning a sample project to ensure everything functions smoothly. Monitor the progress of your workflow through the dashboard. Make adjustments as necessary based on feedback or performance observations. Regularly update your workflow to reflect changes in your wholesaling process. Finally, share the workflow with your team to start utilizing it effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.